Here you have it creamy, full of flavor. It's prepared in 5 minutes and with 5 ingredients, and you don't even need an oven. A marvel. Look, wow, what a presence this flan has. It's a real marvel, and as soon as you try it, you won't be able to stop eating. Look, what an interior, what an exterior, pure marvel. Stay until the end of this recipe. You're going to love it.
Good morning, I am VT from Grandma's Kitchen. Today we're making the simplest flan in the world.
Few steps, little preparation time, and an incredible result. You'll see. Sweet, creamy. First ingredient, milk, 500 milliliters of milk, which is about 2 cups. We are also going to use curd, 2 packets of curd, half of the milk.
There in a small bowl or a wide glass, we add the curd and dissolve well, stirring with a spoon.
It won't even take you 10 seconds. There it is. Curd is a very typical natural thickener in Spain. If it's not available in your country, don't worry. You can add gelatin, about 3 leaves soaked in water. Drain the water, add the gelatin, and you're done. It's okay, it will be just as good. The rest of the milk goes into a saucepan. There it goes, and here we are going to add to it 300 milliliters of whipping cream, which will give it a spectacular creaminess. We heat our saucepan a little bit so that it dissolves much better. These 100 grams of sugar that we are going to add to make it super sweet. If you don't want it very sweet, 50 or 60 also works. And if you don't want to add sugar, you can use liquid saccharin or honey. Stir and heat over low heat for 5 minutes without stopping stirring. We prepare a caramel with 250 grams of sugar and a few teaspoons of water. Heat it over medium heat until it dissolves. Be careful with the caramel. It burns like crazy. Could you end up in the hospital? If you're not very skilled in the matter or you're clumsy, use the liquid caramel already bought in the little jar. It saves you trouble and it's cheaper. Whichever caramel you choose, it's time to pour it into a mold. Mine is rectangular and is roughly 25 centimeters long by 12 or 13 wide. Set it aside in the refrigerator so the caramel thickens a bit and you go with the pot, remove from heat and stir well. There it is. Now we are going to incorporate the mixture that we had reserved there with the curd. We give it a few turns and in a matter of 20 seconds you have it ready. Pour into the mold. If you use a ladle, you will pour it from below and the caramel will stir much less. And now you just have to put it in the fridge for 4 hours. If you wait a little bit before, it won't spoil your fridge. After the time we take it out of the refrigerator or fridge, what do they call it in your country?
In mine fridge, we give it a little turn and...
See how it unmolds perfectly? Thanks to the caramel, since I've had it out of the fridge, waiting 5 little minutes. Look, it looks spectacular and now you just have to take it to the table. There it goes in the center of the table. Curd flan without oven, 5 minutes, 5 ingredients, laughs.
Who gives more?
You have to try it.
Let's see the little cut.
To see the inside, and I assure you this is a real wonder. I love it. Individual serving to the plate and enjoy. Little spoon. And notice how it falls apart. This is spectacular and of course super easy. I love this flan. It's a real wonder. You have to prepare it at your home. You won't regret it. There you have the piece that I'm gobbling up. Hey, look how good it looks. Another little piece so you can see how this wonder falls apart. See? It's super. Good. Thanks for coming. I leave the ingredients wherever you come in. Throughout the video and in the text box so that no one gets lost. Take pure wonder, leave your like. And a lot. And see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't cry, love, our Flan, I am Rosso. Don't cry, love. Don't cry, love. Don't cry, love.